Ramu the Dreamer. Once upon a time, a boy named Ramu lived in a village in Maharashtra. When he was 12 years old, his parents died in a road accident. They had been fruit sellers. After their death, Ramu continued the work of his parents. He dreamt of becoming a great businessman one day. He worked hard day after day to achieve his goal. He carried a basket full of fruits on his head from place to place and sold them. At the end of each day, he counted the money he received and he kept aside a small amount as savings. On the following day, he would deposit the savings in the bank. He would spend the rest for himself and to buy the fruits for the next day. He always remembered his goal. In a year, he saved rupees 8,000. He withdrew that money and bought a bullock cart. Now he bought different kinds of fruits and used the bullock cart to go from place to place to sell his fruits. His sale of fruits had increased. At the end of the day, he was very happy as he was able to get more income. His savings in the bank were increasing as he was able to deposit more money every day. He was very honest in his business. He never cheated anyone. Within a few years, he was able to take a rented shop in the city of Mumbai. He named his fruit shop Fruits Paradise. He had a few boys to help him in his shop. Ramu was a happy man. As he became richer, he became more generous in helping others, especially poor children for their studies. As he had dreamt, he became a great businessman at the age of 29. He had everything he wanted. He had a beautiful house in the city of Mumbai. He owned 10 fruit shops in the city at different locations and also owned a few petrol pumps. In his shop, he had placed a caption which read, "Dream on. You can achieve everything if you believe in yourself and God." Though he lived in the city, he never forgot the village from which he came. He used to visit his village often and help people over there in their need. He had also employed many of them in his shops. He worked hard and lived as a happy man by helping others. He attributed his success to God and his hard work. So, moral of the story is, hard work is the key to a gold mine. The fruits of hard work never go in vain. Savings made today will save tomorrow.